Before buying a commercial zero-turn mower, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1, Sunseeker X7 Wireless Mower. The Sunseeker X7 wireless robot lawnmower caught my attention with its smart technology and sleek design, priced at $2,699. If you want a hands-off mowing experience for medium to large yards, this is worth a serious look. Here's why the Sunseeker X7 can solve your mowing problems. First off, it features all-wheel drive, so it can tackle slopes up to 35 degrees without slipping. If you have uneven terrain, this is a game changer. Plus, the binocular 3D AI vision allows it to glide around obstacles without damaging your lawn, which means less work for you. But one thing to consider, some users mentioned that the initial setup can be a bit tricky. Here's the thing though, once you get past that, you'll appreciate how it actually manages complex mowing patterns and adjusts to your yard's contours. It's a bit of a learning curve, but totally worth it for the end result. This is perfect for you if you have a larger property and want to enjoy a beautiful lawn without the hassle of manual mowing. Skip this one if you're looking for something more budget-friendly. Now, if the price of the Sunseeker X7 bothered you, this next one might actually be even better for your wallet. Product number 2, Ego ZT5207L Zero-Turn Mower. The Ego ZT5207L caught my eye with its impressive features and eco-friendly design. Although the price isn't listed, it's generally positioned as a premium choice. If you're after a powerful electric mower that still feels like a gas-powered one, this deserves your attention. What makes the Ego ZT5207L stand out? For starters, it's powered by up to 6 56V ARC lithium batteries, providing the equivalent of a 25 horsepower engine. This means you can efficiently mow up to 4 acres on a single charge, which is fantastic for larger lawns. Plus, it has 3 driving modes for customizable control, making it easier to navigate tight corners. Now, some users have pointed out that it can feel a bit heavy, especially when maneuvering it around obstacles. But honestly, the performance you get from it outweighs that minor inconvenience. It's built for power and efficiency, which is what you need in a commercial mower. This is perfect for professionals or serious homeowners who want a robust electric option. Skip this one if you have a smaller yard or prefer a lighter mower for easy handling. Next up, if battery life and power are your main concerns, the following mower might surprise you. Product number 3, Sunseeker X7 with Garage. Another version of the Sunseeker X7, this model comes with a garage, making it a practical pick. It offers similar features to the previous one, but with additional protection for the mower. If you want cutting-edge tech with a bit more convenience, this one is worth considering. What's unique here? This model also boasts wireless freedom with RTK GNSS technology for precise navigation. That means you can set up mowing boundaries without hassle. Plus, it features a dual blade design for excellent cutting efficiency across all terrains. One downside, some users mentioned that the garage accessory can add to the initial investment. But honestly, keeping your mower protected is a huge plus, especially if you're investing in top-tier technology. This is perfect for those who want to protect their investment and enjoy automated mowing. Skip this one if you prefer a simpler setup without added features. Alright, let's talk about a more traditional option that still delivers exceptional performance. Product number 4, Ego Power Plus Self-Propelled Mower. The Ego Power Plus Self-Propelled Mower caught my attention for its impressive runtime and extra battery bundle. Again, while the price isn't listed, it's often seen as a solid investment for those serious about lawn care. If you want a reliable electric mower that performs like gas but is quieter, take a look at this. This mower boasts a brushless motor that exceeds the power of gas, delivering incredible torque. With up to 60 minutes of runtime on a single charge, it's perfect for extended mowing sessions. Plus, the touch drive self-propelled technology makes it so easy to use. Just touch the handle and go. However, I did find some feedback indicating that the mower can struggle with thicker grass. Here's the thing though, if you maintain your lawn well, this shouldn't be a major issue. It's designed for efficiency and ease of use. This is great for homeowners looking for a powerful electric option. Skip this if you're dealing with very thick, overgrown grass regularly. Next up, let's look at another version of the Sunseeker X7 that includes some bonus features.
Product number 5, Sunseeker X7 with extra blades. Finally, we have the Sunseeker X7 wireless robot mower with an extra set of blades. Priced competitively, this model balances advanced technology with practicality. If you want a high-tech mowing solution that also includes a maintenance edge, this is worth considering. This version retains all the impressive features of the X7, including the AWD system and intelligent path planning. The added bonus of extra blades means you can quickly swap them out, reducing downtime when you need to make replacements. Plus, it automatically detects rain and returns to its charging base. Talk about convenience. One downside is that some folks found it took a little longer to charge than expected. But I'll be real with you, the convenience and efficiency of the mowing process outweighs this minor issue. This is perfect for tech-savvy users who appreciate a well-maintained lawn. Skip this if you're not ready for smart tech in your mowing routine. In conclusion, whether you're after a high-tech robot mower or a robust traditional riding mower, there's something here for everyone.
Before buying a commercial zero-turn mower, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it.